Everybody is on here talking about how DDG has filed a restraining order against Halle Bailey, but they are not talking about how most of his restraining order already got denied. And the reason why it got denied is because it is probably seen as a retaliatory restraining order. You mean to tell me that DDG waited 3 weeks to file a restraining order against Halle, claiming that she's a danger to her son? We already got video evidence of him coming on the internet talking about how she doesn't let him see his son in January, and we were like, DDG, why don't you file something with the courts? If you really thought that your son was in danger, you should have been filing something a lot sooner. And apparently the courts agree with that because DDG also tried to put Halo onto his restraining order, and the court crossed him off. For those of you who do not know, I am a family law attorney, and the reason why DDG is filing this restraining order is pure strategy. With competing restraining orders, one party is hoping that the other party would drop theirs so that they don't get a restraining order against them. But like I said, no one's really talking about the outcome of DDG's actual 91-page restraining order. The court only ordered Halle not to abuse him. They did not order her to stay away, and they did not order her to have no contact with him. And like I said before, they crossed Halo off of his restraining order. Now, it is possible for DDG to get a permanent restraining order against Halle for her not to abuse him, but Halo is going to stay in the custody of Halle. Unless DDG can prove that she's not safe for her son, but then he's going to have to explain why, if he thinks that she's not safe for her son, why is he asking for joint custody instead of sole custody?